Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to do this sea bass today in a cream sauce. Delicious stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got two sea bass fillets here, about 250 grams each. Simply going to give them a little salt and pepper on each side. Then we're going to go over to the cooker, get them into some olive oil, and we're going to fry them on each side for about 4 minutes. Very, very simple stuff. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to fetch them out and set them to the side for just a couple of minutes while we do this sauce. But keep the oil that we've used, because we're going to use this to make our cream sauce. So I'm going to add 1 cup of sliced onion into the mix. By the way, we're on a kind of medium heat. A tablespoon of chopped garlic. Got some olives here. Got like 3 or 4 olives. I've taken the stones out. I'm using a black Kalamata. Optional, to be honest. You don't have to do that. So we're going to cook these for about 4 minutes. Next up, some salt. And of course some black pepper. Now I'm going to be adding dried oregano, or oregano as some of you call that. About a teaspoon of that. And again, we're just going to go here on this nice gentle medium heat. And I've got some cream. Double cream we call it in the UK. I think you call it heavy cream. There's 135 ml there. Little mix, just for a couple of minutes there. Next up, we're going to add some cheese. I've got some Parmesan there, some Parmesan cheese, about 1/4 cup. Little mix again, that's going to melt in there, thicken the sauce slightly. And now we put the fish back in. And we're just going to cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes and serve. Really simple, super, super delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now, if you like, you can give me a thumbs up. That does help me out. Leave a comment, and there's a thanks button if you want to donate. I'll see you soon.